Very good morning, children. Today, as you know that your syllabus has been completed, and today we are doing the revision and taking chapter 8. We are revising these chapters. Clear? Let us come to the chapter number 8, winds, storm and cyclone. Clear? See, children, what is wind? Wind is the moving air. Moving air is called wind. Okay, when it has got some speed. Though you know in our atmosphere, in our environment, air is present. It is a mixture of many gases. Okay, and though air is not visible to you, it is not visible to us, it is colorless, but its existence can be felt. Okay, your wind is blowing, then moving off leaves, papers. Okay, it makes a sound. It is just because of the presence of air only. Okay, during summer what happens? We go under the fan. And what do we feel? The presence of air? Yes? It keeps our, rather, doesn't matter. Okay. See, children, here, properties of air we are going to. The first property becomes it is not visible to us, it is colorless. It is tasteless even. Okay. Then here, which I told you is colorless, it is tasteless. You have studied in lower classes. Okay, as you are in 7th class, upgraded. So we will study further that air exerts pressure. Okay, how it can be experienced, how it can be practically shown. Let us take an activity. This is a bottle, Bisleri water bottle you can take, plastic bottle you can take. Fill it with the warm water. Okay, and empty it immediately. As soon as it is emptied, we should cap it. We should cover the mouth of bottle, and then it should be taken under the running cold water. Okay, running cold. This is cold water. What we will see, the shape of bottle got distorted. It may become like this even. Why? The reason being, when warm water was there and as it was removed, nothing was there as such. Not even the air molecule. Okay, and when it was brought under the cold water, okay, then the pressure was created, means high pressure was there outside of this bottle, and inside the pressure was very much decreased. As high pressure was there outside of bottle, it made this bottle into this shape. Second activity also we can take. Okay, many of the activities can be taken. Now, second property coming towards. See, children, high wind speeds are accompanied with reduced air pressure. How it can be proved? I am taking only one activity. See, this is a strip in front of you. I will blow the air above this strip. Okay, what you will see, this strip is coming upwards. See how it is done. See, are you observing it? You have to observe, you have to notice it, children. I am blowing above the surface of this paper is this strip, but it is coming up. Why? The reason being, when I am blowing the air above the surface, then the air molecules are getting removed from here. It means the pressure is decreased. Yes or not? It means, children, see, I am just telling you a simple example. When class is full with the children, okay, every bench is being occupied by the children. Okay, suppose 2 can sit on a bench. If one child goes away, definitely any other child will try to occupy that seat, because that seat was vacant. Same thing here occurring. When I blow the air over the surface, the air molecule which was there present, which was available there, they are moving very fast, making that space with the decreased pressure. यहाँ पे प्रेशर कम हो जा रहा है, but the pressure below this strip is high. That's why it is raising it upwards. That's why that high pressure is raising this strip upward, because upside the pressure is very low. Obviously it will exert the pressure. You are getting my point? Know what I want to say? See again, pressure में decrease कर रही हूँ by blowing the air above this. Seen? This is the case. One more very good activity I can tell you. You can do it at home. You take a rod, hang 2 balloons on its terminals. Okay, when I blow here in between, these balloons will try to come close. Okay, these balloons will try to come closer. Even they may collide. They may collide even here. Okay, what the reason is behind? See, children, when I blow the air in between this space, all the molecules are removed. Okay, it goes away. Pressure is already decreased. Then this balloon's outside pressure is already increased. It will push the balloon towards the center, and these 2 balloons will come closer. Even they may collide. They may collide even. Such condition will reach just due to the decreased pressure in the center and increased pressure outside of the balloon. That's why you must have heard, सुना होगा आप लोगों ने, the roofs are removed by the storms, by the cyclones. Why does it happen? This happen only because of this reason. Clear? Understood this thing, children? Now you see, the next property of air becomes that warm air rises upwards. Warm air rises upwards. Okay, but children, you have studied in lower classes that when a thing is heated, it expands. The same thing is here also with the air. Warm air rises upwards. Definitely expanding means it will expand all over. Clear? So how it can be proved? How it can be observed? See, I took boiling test tube. Okay, this is boiling test tube. On its mouth, a balloon is there. I tied a balloon. Clear? This is the test tube. Then I took a beaker filled with the warm water. Hot water you can take. What I will see, what I will notice, see children, this is already hot water. It will make the surrounding also hot or warm. You know, it is being immersed in the water. The air which is present in the test tube, the air which is present in the test tube will, first of all, it is getting the heat. Okay, in the same way it is getting the warmer. Okay, because hot water is there surrounding it, so it will rise up. गर्म पानी है तो गर्म हवा हो जाएगी. गर्म होते ही it will go high. As it will go, it will make the balloon inflated. It will make the balloon inflated. बढ़ जाएगा, फूल जाएगा. Clear? Now, as soon as it is removed, this balloon will again come its original position, because slowly, gradually, the air inside this balloon will become cool, and as it becomes cool, it will come down. So it will come down and the balloon will take its own shape. I think it is much clear to you. The concept should be clear. Okay, this is air expands on heating. One more activity can be done here. I took a rod, I and two disposable cups, and beneath one of these disposable cups I took a burning candle. As it is burning, just ponder upon what will happen. The surrounding air will become warm. Candle की flame के चारों तरफ की जो हवा है, that will become warm, and that will definitely rise up. It will rise up. As it is rising, it will push it. Okay, and finally this rod will be not in balance, and this will go up and this will come down. It means warm air is lighter than cool air. Remember, this is the one of the properties of air. Warm air is lighter than cool air. This is the activity for this property. Clear? वार्म एयर जा रही है, ये हल्की है, ठीक है, हल्की है तो इट विल गोइंग अप एंड इट विल कम डाउन बिकॉज इट हैज़ बिकम हैवी, isn't it? The reason being same. Now here children, question arises, wind is generated, wind currents are generated Why? Why the wind currents are generated? What is the reason behind due to which the winds are generated? Okay, this question just comes in mind that what is the reason due to which the winds are generated? Okay, it is just due to the uneven heating. Okay, that is due to the uneven heating on the earth. ठीक है, देयर आर टू रीजन्स अगेन, कहाँ कहाँ होता है ये अनइवन हीटिंग ऑफ द ऑन द अर्थ. फर्स्ट इज अनइवन हीटिंग बिटवीन द इक्वेटर एंड द पोल्स. Equator and poles. See children, it is the earth. Okay, poles, this is equator, tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn, north pole, south pole. You know this area is the hottest one. Okay, and the air is, as I told you that the warm air rises up. The warm air, it will go, as it will go high, air from this tropic of Cancer or tropic of Capricorn will move towards equator. अनइवन हीटिंग होगी ना, सन जो यहाँ पे है इसकी डायरेक्ट हीट यहाँ पे आ रही है, इसका यहाँ पे आ रहा है लेकिन कम आ रहा है. यू नो ना स्लैंटिंग रेज. Okay, direct rays are there on the equator and slanting rays are there on the tropic of Cancer, tropic of Capricorn and these poles. Poles में तो आती भी नहीं है, you know it very well. ठीक है, hardly it gets. So here it gets warmer, so goes up, and air from the tropic of Cancer and upper altitude, this latitude, it goes towards the equator, and in this way, बिकॉज यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है बच्चों. मैंने जो आपको एग्जांपल दिया था बच्चों वाला कि एक बच्चा चला जाता है बेंच से तो दूसरा बच्चा ट्राइज टू कम टू ऑक्यूपाई दैट स्पेस. द सेम केस हियर ऑल्सो, winds are moving, removing, it means अपनी it is what doing, leaving its space, and just to occupy those space the air is coming from the these tropics, tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn. Wind हो गया generate. The wind is generated. Second is generally uneven heating of land and water. Uneven heating of land and water. Under this we will study about the land bridge and sea bridge. See children, you must have studied it about sea bridge और land bridge. इसी से cause होता है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपका लैंड है, यहाँ पे आपके वाटर बॉडी है. टेक द केस ऑफ मुंबई, सन इज देयर, क्लियर, विच विल गेट हीटेड फास्टर, लैंड और वाटर. ऑब्वियसली लैंड विल गेट फास्टर हीटेड. ठीक है, ये स्लो. जैसे डे टाइम आई एम टेलिंग अबाउट बिकॉज सन इज देयर, it will go high. The air above the surface of land, it will move high. As it move high, the space is empty. खाली है जगह, तो just to occupy those spaces, the winds, the air molecule will rush towards the land. Okay. Opposite to this happens at night. Night में sun is not there. Okay, and this will, यहाँ की हवा up जाएगी क्योंकि सुबह से गर्म हो रही थी, अभी तक हुई नहीं, लेकिन आपको गर्म हो गई, and it becomes cold sooner. ये जल्दी ठंडा भी होता है, ये जल्दी गर्म भी होता है. So it will go high and the air from the land surface, okay, above the land surface, it will just rush to occupy those space empty lifted by the air molecule over the surface. Understood? And this cause land bridge and sea bridge. Sea bridge जो sea हवा sea से आती है, land bridge जो land से आती है. One becomes during daytime and sea bridge becomes at sea bridge at daytime and land bridge. Clear? Now you see the monsoon winds carry the water. यही रीज़न होता है बच्चों, ऐसी मानसून विंड्स आती है. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन द विंड्स आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द सी, दैट इज द मानसून विंड्स, एंड इट कैरीज द मॉइस्चर इन इट, वाटर वेपर्स इन इट. ओके, एंड इट इज कैरिंग इट विथ. ठीक है, और इसके कारण ही बरसात होती है. अंडरस्टूड? Now see children, few things I am going to tell you. Very fast moving winds, that is the thunderstorm, okay, and the cyclone. See here, the shift movement of the falling water droplets along with the rising air create lightning and sound. It is the event that we call thunderstorm. बरसात के टाइम में जो गड़गड़ाहट होती है, okay, and we generally people get afraid of, डर जाते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज योर थंडरस्टॉर्म. एट दैट टाइम विंड इज मूविंग वेरी फास्ट. ओके, लाइटनिंग मे बी देयर. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द थंडरस्टॉर्म. एंड व्हेन इट इज वेरी फास्ट it can become cyclone even. See children, now I am coming a cyclone. Here you see cyclone is known as a different names and with the different part of the word. It is called hurricane in the American continent. In Philippines and Japan it is called typhoon. Clear? इस तरह से बीच बीच में से गोल में से आता है. जस्ट यू कैन सी 8.11. Some safety which is to be seen or which is to be adopted by bee people are effective safety measures are cyclone forecast and warning service, rapid communication of warning to the government agencies, the port, the fishermen, ships and to the general public. Construction of cyclone shelter in the cyclone prone area means the sites or the place which are prone to develop cyclone. Generally वहाँ पे होता है. ठीक है, आए दिन होता है. Frequently it occurs. Okay, and administrative arrangement for moving people fast to the safer place. This is what the effective safety measures. Now action on the part of the people. We should not ignore the warning issued by the meteorological department. I told you who tells about the weather report, that is the meteorological department. ठीक है, through radio, TV, newspaper and all. We should make the necessary arrangement to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals and vehicles to the safer place. Avoid driving on roads through standing water as the flood may have damaged the road. Keep ready the phone numbers of all the emergency services like police, fire brigade and the medical centers. Some other precautions if you are staying in the cyclone hit area. If we are living in that prone area, what the measures we should take? Do not drink the water that can be contaminated. Always store the drinking water for the emergencies. Do not touch the wet switches and fallen power lines. Do not go out just for the sake of fun. Do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demands. Cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. Okay. Now advanced technology has developed, children, you know. ठीक है, इससे क्या होता है, फास्ट फोरकास्टिंग हो जाती है. वी कैन कम टू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन फ्यूचर बाय आवर टेक्नोलॉजी. क्लियर? सो वी बिकम्स अलर्ट. द रेजिडेंट्स who are living in the prone area, they can evacuate their place where they are living. Okay, because before 24 or 48 hours they are given the information just to evacuate the place because cyclone is going to occur, okay, after 2 days or 3 days. So they are given the warning, they are given the chance to move from that place to the safer place. Here I end my chapter. Go through the chapter and do watch the video. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.